In life, we all want to become something. We all dream of doing something great, something meaningful, but most people live stuck in the same loop. They watch motivational videos, feel inspired for a few minutes, and then nothing really changes. Why? Because motivation alone can't build a successful life. If discipline is missing, motivation becomes just a feeling, and feelings fade. Today's story will show you why. Stay till the end. This story might genuinely shift your mindset. In a quiet coastal town in Maine, there lived a young guy named Liam. Liam wanted to do big things in life. He wanted to be financially strong, emotionally stable, and someone people could look up to. Every day he watched motivational speeches, saved inspiring quotes, and wrote long plans in his notebook. I'll wake up at 5 a.m. I'll work out. I'll study for hours. Starting tomorrow, everything changes. Just saying those words made him feel strong, but that strength faded quickly. After 2 or 3 days, he slipped back into old habits, oversleeping, procrastinating, and giving himself excuses that sounded smart, but were lies. He felt frustrated. Why couldn't he stick to anything? One afternoon, Liam visited the lighthouse near the cliff. There he met Mr. Dawson, the old lighthouse keeper, a man everyone respected, but no one truly understood. Liam asked, "Sir, how do you stay so consistent every single day? How do you stay motivated to keep this lighthouse running?" Mr. Dawson chuckled softly. "I'm not motivated, Liam. I'm disciplined." Liam frowned. "But aren't they the same thing?" The old man shook his head. "Come tomorrow morning, I'll show you." Liam returned the next morning. The sky was dark, the ocean loud, and cold wind slapped his face. Yet Mr. Dawson was already there, on time, focused, calm. He walked Liam to the base of the lighthouse. "Do you know why I climb these 217 steps every morning?" the old man asked. "Because you love the view," Liam guessed. Mr. Dawson smiled. "No, son, because ships depend on this light. If I only worked on the days I felt like it, people could die." He pointed to the ocean. "Motivation is like a wave, big, loud, exciting, but temporary. Discipline is the lighthouse, steady, unmoving, reliable." Then the keeper told Liam a story. Years ago, a young captain sailed this route, full of dreams, full of motivation, but he relied too much on energy and too little on consistency. Every time the weather was rough, he delayed his training. Every time he felt tired, he postponed his practice. One night, in a heavy storm, his ship got lost. He didn't know how to navigate in darkness because he only practiced on easy days. That night changed him. He survived, but he realized motivation had failed him. Only discipline could have saved him. Liam listened silently. He understood. Mr. Dawson looked Liam in the eye. "Motivation is good, but it's not dependable. Your success depends on what you do." On the days you don't feel inspired, something clicked inside Liam. He'd been waiting for excitement, but excitement wasn't the answer. From that day, he changed. He made a routine, and for the first time in his life, he stuck to it. Even when he was tired, he studied. Even when he was bored, he worked out. Even when it was difficult, he showed up. Days turned to weeks. Weeks turned to months. His results didn't explode instantly, but slowly, steadily, his life transformed. People in town began to notice him. They admired his focus, his growth, and his peace. One day, someone asked, "Liam, what's your secret?" He smiled gently and said, "Motivation gave me a spark, but discipline built my life. Success isn't one giant leap. It's small steps, repeated every single day. So don't wait for the perfect day, the perfect feeling, or the perfect moment. Start today. Stay disciplined. The future you want is built by the actions you repeat." If you loved this story, hit the like button and tell us in the comment, what did you learn today?